Hello everyone. Did you know that gardening is very important? I've just woken up to make sure that my crops are watered, and gardening is very therapeutic in the sense that you wake up in the morning to tend crops, and you see them growing, and you learn something new in life that no matter what you're going through, life is changing. And this is a good way of getting out of the stressful work life. And looking at these young plants, grow from one stage to another, it gives me a sense of responsibility. You look at the ones that are withering, they challenge you. You try to, resuscitate them by watering them, giving them life, and something so enjoyable. And once the plants have matured and you are plucking them, you feel a sense of satisfaction, and this is very important for me. I've been doing this for quite some time, and every time I feel I have to be here looking at these crops, making sure that they're growing well, making sure that everything that is supposed to be done is done, and I feel kind of attached to these crops, and this is something good because it gets your mind out of the normal hustle and bustle of workplace. For a moment you forget about the stressful environment. For a moment you focus on just taking care of the nature, and this is something good as a human being, contributing to the nature's well-being, taking care of our environment, and making sure we are also healthy, in our mind, and also what we consume. And to me, this is great. This is great, and I will just encourage anyone, if you have a place where you can plant a few stems of crops, you can practice gardening. You can practice gardening, and I'm sure you'll feel better the way I do. Last time we checked here, and they are almost ready now. They're almost ready, and I'm sure to invite you to join when we put them at the table. Kindly remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel.